Damn, Missy Mari got beats.
Hello mga kapounders! So today is another day for another workout, guys. We have just finished the warm-up workout, and it's just we just finished the 2 rounds, 7-minute workout with 2 rounds, and I think we're going to do another meta fit something. Yesterday it was Savage Tuesday, and we with my co-pounders almost died from exhaustion. Yeah, it was a tiring Tuesday yesterday, and my knees hurt, but it's still okay. I can still go on. Far from home.
Jump lang. 9, butter rope. 10, air flip. Go.
Y'all just wanna steal this. Bottles at the club, yeah. Makes that you can feel, bitch. We just turn it up, yeah. Man, we on that real shit.
Count it, count it, count it, count it.
100 tracks, what you know about it, bitch, don't get it.
Count it, count it, count it, count it.
100 tracks, what you know about it, bitch, don't get
That's
it.
100 in the works. We the top to finish first. Whole squad fucking cursed. Modest touch on every verse. Counted 100 a piece, ayy. Counted 100 a weeks, ayy. Started off Q203, ayy. Now in the hills all this heat, ayy. We the rebels, not the saints. Fuck with us, got no restraints. Freedom pouring out our veins. Break the hell out of these chains. Feels like I'm going insane, cause I haven't made a name. Conquered, then we came. Get the hell out of my way, ayy. 100, go count it. 100, go count it. 100 tracks, never missed a week. Fucking count it. 100, go count it. 100, go count it. 100 tracks, never missed a week. Fucking count it. About to start a riot. They can't keep us quiet. Just call me the pilot, cause we mobbing out united. Yeah, we came to work. And we came to play. Work hard, play hard, almost every fucking day.
Y'all just wanna steal this. Bottles at the club, yeah. Makes that you can feel, bitch. We just turn it up, yeah. Man, we on that real shit.
Count it, count it, count it, count it.
100 tracks, what you know about it, bitch, don't get it.
Count it, count it, count it, count it.
100 tracks, what you know about it, bitch, go get
Doing
it.
it like Lil Wayne, releasing shit like it's the play, track after track, it's insane, bitch, get the hell out my lane, I'm just gon' ride to the beat, yeah, lyrics, they come out my teeth, yeah, we do this shit every week, then put that shit on repeat, I keep on going, I'm rolling and putting a show on, I hit them with these songs, they don't know the next one, they think that I'm broken, I cause a commotion, no need for promotion, I'm staying in motion, I keep the devotion, the words that are spoken, and winning's the slogan, so cold that you're frozen, fast like the ocean, we pass those emotions and stay so outspoken, like I'm Obama on the show, and we about to blow all on the radio. Hey, hey, look at me, fuck with me, hate on me, love on me, look at me, fuck with me.
So guys, that was the Meta Flower. That was the Meta Fit Savage workout. I'm too tired to talk, but I'm still good, guys. I'm still good. So I think that was the workout for today. So mga kapounders, this is where I'm gonna end my video. It was just a short workout today because we had a pretty much savage workout yesterday, and I just have to make my body rest for a while, not overexert, or I might be exhausted But I'm just going to do now the core workout, and I'm just gonna end this video right here. So thank you for watching, and do see you in the next video. Bye, Kapounders!